MTT13. This is now introducing us to two more minor keys. We've got the key of D minor and E minor. On page 23, you worked out that D minor is the relative minor of F major. Remember back, we know that every major key has a relative minor, and they're related. They're related by this interval of 3 semitones. So to get from a major key to its relative minor, you count 3 semitones down. And the same thing, vice versa, from going D minor up to F major is D, D sharp, E, F, 3 semitones. And okay, so we know that D minor and F major are related, and that E minor is the relative minor of G major. So G and E, G major and E minor are related as well. These two keys are the other new keys you need to know for grade 2. The tone-semitone pattern for their scales is the same as the A minor, natural and harmonic. Okay, so write the key signature and tonic triad for each of the following keys. So they've started us off here with a D minor. The tonic triad is going to start from D and then up a minor third and then the fifth. And we know the key signature of D minor. Well, we need to think about the relative major of D minor. So go up 3 semitones, D, D sharp, E, and F. So that's what's the key signature of F? It's a B flat. So you've got there's lots of things to kind of juggle in your mind here. You've got to remember what the key signatures are for your major keys. Let's look at this one, E minor. What's the relative major of E minor? Well, E up to F, F sharp, G. That's 3 semitones higher. So that's G. What's G major? What's the key signature of G major? We should know already. It's an F sharp. Okay, and now we just need to write the tonic triad of E minor. So looking for an E, then where's the nearest E? We could start all cows eat. There's an E, and there's the minor third, and there's the fifth. Okay, I'll let you do the rest. Question 2. Write these 1 octave minor scales in minims going up. The key signatures have been written in for you, but you will sometimes need to add accidentals. Why will we need accidentals? Well, we'll need those for our harmonic minors, won't we? The natural minors won't have any accidentals. So we've got an E natural minor scale. The key signature is already in here. Remember, it's a G major key signature because they're relatives. So we just need to find E. So E is here, and then up in minims. So these all need to be minims. I'll just draw the note heads first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these all need to be minims. Okay? Coming down now, we've gone above the line. So that's it. And then we don't need any accidentals because it's a natural minor. We'll need an accidental for the harmonic minors though. Okay, and do you remember where to put those? I'll do this one. Well, the harmonic minor, remember the 7th note of the scale will be raised a semitone. So you'll need a sharp on that 7th. Okay? Right. And remember to put in, well, they've already put in the key signature, so you don't need to do that. Okay, and finally, the last page. Write these 1 octave minor scales in semibreves going down, and this time you have to put in the key signatures yourself. So the first one, D harmonic minor scale. So to put in the key signature, we need to know what the relative major is. So the relative major of D, if you go up 3 semitones from D, you come to D, D sharp, E, F. So what's the key signature of F major? We should know it's a B flat. And then we need semibreves going down. So we need to find a D somewhere at the top to come down from. So every green bus drives. There's a D. Come down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, it's a harmonic minor, so we know that the 7th is going to be raised a semitone. So the 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, needs to be not a C but a C sharp. Okay, so lots to do there. You get a point for every note being correct. All right, I'll leave you to finish that off. Okay, well done.